So today we're going to be doing the sticky tape lab for physics. So first thing you're going to need is 2 pieces of paper, about 10 centimeters long, 2 pieces of foil like this. You're going to need a pair of scissors, some tape, a graduated cylinder or a piece of PVC pipe, and a nice plastic bag that you just get from the grocery. And also, you want to make sure you have a Sharpie to write on your tape and a paper to write down your observations. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to grab our tape. We're going to sort of get a decent amount, and what you're going to want to do is put a little tab in it like this. You're going to want to fold the tape in on itself like that. That way when you put it on the table, like so, you can easily just rip it off and you don't have to worry about getting tape off your table. And then you're going to want to grab a second piece of tape, about the same length as the first one. Again, put that little tab on it like so. And then you're going to want to place this one directly on top of your other piece of tape. This allows it to sort of pass the electrons between the 2 pieces of tape. And on this one, you're going to want to take your Sharpie, and on the little tab, just put a B for bottom. And then next, we're going to grab another piece of tape. This will be our final one. Again, same as the first 2. Just put a little tab in it right there. And then put it right on top of that 3rd piece of tape. So, you're going to want to do this twice. Make sure you label the second one with top. I've already put one over here, and I have one right here. The first thing you're going to do, grab the tab for the bottom one, the one that says bottom, not the most bottom one, and you're just going to pull it off like so. Try and make sure that you get both pieces of tape together, like so. And then you're going to want to take the tape. We're just going to move on to the other one. That one, sometimes that'll happen and you'll have to redo it, but I've got 2 pieces over here. So you're going to take the bottom, just sort of pull it off. Make sure that the top and bottom stay together. And then next what you're going to want to do is sort of straighten out the piece of tape. So you're going to want to run your fingers across it like this. Essentially, you're creating it so the charges is neutral on the sides, so that when we pull them apart, we'll get a charge differently on each one. So just sort of like this, keep running it down, like so. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the 2 ends you have right here, and you're just gonna pull them apart like that. And then, you're gonna take your top piece, just sort of stick it right to the table like that, and take your bottom piece and do the same thing, kind of a bit of away from each other. And we would initially need another set of these. I will make another set and then add them together. But you're gonna wanna take your foil first. You'll come to your piece of tape right here and put it towards the non-sticky side, and you'll see if they come together. And if they do, then you have a charge. And then you'll do the same thing with this piece, and then you'll use your second set of tape. You'll go top to top, bottom to bottom, and then from there. Now, the last part of this experiment, you're gonna grab your graduated cylinder, you're gonna grab your bag, and you're just gonna kind of get a charge on the bag, remove the charge from the graduated cylinder, so it's negatively charged. The plastic will take all the, it'll add more electrons to it like this, and then you'll take your graduated cylinder, move it towards your 2 pieces of tape, see if it repels or attracts. If it repels, then you know it's a negatively charged piece of tape, and if it attracts, it's a positively charged piece of tape. And that'll tell you which is which, and you can go from there.